For me, there's no nobility, there's no glory in moving slow. I've definitely been one of those guys that I've gotten very comfortable exercising the muscle of move fast, move quick, and figure it out. You know, if you look at the Boardroom Mastermind, I mean, I can tell you that myself and my business partner, Lo Silva and Brad Costanza, we were all sitting around, I think it was back in 2012, maybe 2011, and I wanted to get a bunch of really smart people in the room, had no experience, did not know how to do it at all, and got a wild idea that I would go and create a video mailer, basically a video card, an imitation, if you will, and there's a video in there, and I sent that video card to 100 of the best entrepreneurs I knew. And in that invitation, it basically said, listen, I'm doing this meeting. It's on me. I want you to come. I want you to share your best ideas. I want to share what's going on in your business. And I think that we can probably help each other. And I think of the 100 I sent, I think I probably had 85 show up. I did that without any clear understanding of what the Boardroom Mastermind would ultimately become. But I took imperfect action. I put my best foot forward. It wasn't cheap to do that. I mean, every one of those cards was like, you know, 25 bucks. It was like $2,500. And then I had to secure the room. I mean, you got to be willing to risk it. You got to be willing to do that kind of stuff. You know, look at it now, 10 years later, the Boardroom Mastermind is, I mean, I think if you ask anybody in the real estate space, it's largely considered the premier mastermind out there. It's helped people to scale their businesses beyond anything that they ever thought was possible. You've got guys that have created generational wealth, guys and girls, from being in that room, fostered some of the greatest friendships and partnerships. Couldn't even have hoped it would be what it has become. But it all came out of imperfect action. I didn't sit around and think about it and try to figure out how I was going to do it.